Hello people, welcome to Rozzy Kitchen. Today we are going to make spicy rice. I'm going to teach you how to make this spicy rice. We call it pepper jollof rice. These are the things we are going to use to make this spicy rice. Guys, these are the things we are going to use. This is pepper, this is onions, and you are going to use pepper as much as your mouth can handle. And this is tomatoes. Of course, you're going to use tomatoes. I'm going to slice it. And this is a vegetable leaf, it's kale leaf. So you're going to slice. I'm going to slice it. Salt, of course. And this is palm oil. You can also use groundnut oil if you want, but I prefer palm oil because of the taste. And these are the nutmeg. I'm going to add a little nutmeg to wear the meat out. And this is curry. And this is bay leaf. I'm using bay leaf, and this is thyme. So I'm going to use thyme as well. And this is mango. This is not cube, but you can as well use any kind of mango you want. This is what I have, so any mango can work for it. And this is the meat. This is goat's meat. You can use beef. You can use beef if you like. If you don't like goat's meat. I normally use assorted meat, but I couldn't find any because of this lockdown, so I have to use what I have. And this is Titus, so the fresh fish. I'm going to add it to it. And this is rice. I use this cup to measure 4 cups of rice, so I'm going to make it very small. So guys, these are the things. So let's start doing it. Yeah, I already put slicing it. Salt. Slicing the tomatoes. After slicing the tomatoes, you're going to put it in the filter so that the water will be out from the tomatoes. Add it in the filter, add the tomatoes and the pepper in the filter so that the water can be out of it. So the pepper. This is the pepper, so I'm slicing the pepper right away.
too blood for this thing. Why are you not getting rid of the blood?
Guys, I've already boiled the meat. Yeah, it's not wet cooked, just boil the meat about 4 minutes to 5 minutes. So I'm going to slice it and add it to the rice. So this is the leaf, it's already sliced. This is the tomatoes, and this is the onions, already sliced it. And this is the water that I used to boil the meat. I'm going to use to cook the rice. And this is the rice, is already washed inside the pot. So I'm just going to add everything together to the rice. I'm going to add the pepper, the sliced tomatoes and the pepper, the onions, the meat, and the water. So I'm not going to add the leaf yet. So because I don't want the leaf to be overcooked. So yeah, that's it. So I'm going to slice the meat. I'm just going to add oil. I don't want the oil to be too much, but I want to make sure I have enough oil on it. Yeah, you have to wait like 5 minutes before I can add the leaf to it. I already had the leaf on it, so I'm just going to, yeah, this is the leaf. I already had the slicing leaf on the rice, so I'm just going to wait like to finally cook like up to 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So I can turn it together. Hey guys, our food is ready. The spicy rice is ready. Let's serve it. Hello guys, look at the spicy rice is ready. We have done cooking the spicy rice, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Subscribe for more videos. So guys, tell me what you think about this food. Thanks for watching once again.